Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some princess party decorations. We're going to go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. These decorations are very simple and easy to do, very affordable. If you have a princess themed party and you need some ideas, this video is the right one for you. Using a balloon tire makes tying balloons really easy to do without hurting your fingers. That's this balloon tire that I'm using right here. I will have a link in the description where you can purchase one from Amazon if you're interested. And when I blow up confetti balloons, I like to go ahead and have them stick to the balloon. So I always just roll the balloon around, usually just on a table or any type of surface. That will help the confetti stick to the balloons. Let's go ahead and get this backdrop put up. It is backdrop time. We're going to go ahead and use a castle backdrop. This actually came from the Dollar Tree. You can just use tape to help hang up the backdrop. And now we're going to add some gold curtain fringe. These are folded in half, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use some tack and some tapes to get this put up on either side of the backdrop. Now that we have our curtain fringe put up on the backdrop, we're going to go ahead and just take these individual balloons. We're just going to put a piece of tape on the end of it and then tape it up to our backdrop. We're just going to put them up one at a time just to kind of make it like a simple row of balloons. Also, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell. We're going to go ahead and get our happy birthday banner up. Just centering it, trying to figure out where I want it to go, and go ahead and stick it up with some tacks. And now I'm just going back to straighten up the letters and make sure they look nice and neat. Okay, let's go ahead and add our birthday banner. I'm trying to find the right placement. I'm going to add this underneath the castle towards the bottom of the backdrop. Again, just using tacks to hang it up. And let's go ahead and get ready to add our big crown balloon. I decided to go ahead and just add it in the middle of the backdrop at the bottom. And here you have it, our happy birthday princess party decoration. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Check out my website, Esthersroyalpartydesigns.com, and have a royal day.